Now, as we were just mentioning, the FDA is expected to quickly issue that emergency use authorization for Moderna's vaccine. We saw it last week with Pfizer, right? Well, next, the CDC panel will meet to decide whether to greenlight the vaccine, and it would allow people across the U.S. to receive that vaccination as early as next week. But Rachel, talk to me about how you felt getting, that first dose as part of the clinical trial.
Well, this is the third vaccine trial that I've been in, so it wasn't my first rodeo in terms of being in a vaccine study, but it felt very momentous to be a part of it, be a part of history, knowing that this could be the answer. This could be the hope that we've been searching for. I had that first dose sometime in June, and then the second shot was July 1st.
And how were they different from each other?
The two shots,
Yes.
they're not really. So the second shot's just a booster. It's another dose of the same product.
But did it feel any different, like when you got the first dose?
So that's actually a really good question. And this is typical of vaccines with a two-parter from what I've understood from doctors, is that the first dose I had a really sore arm for several days, more sore than a flu shot. We're talking really sore, a little firm around the injection site. But after the second shot, I had the same symptom with the arm, but about 24 hours later, I had a little mild flu symptom, a headache, and a little bit of a fever, but nothing that 2 Tylenol didn't cure within 4 hours.
And did it make you feel good to actually have those kind of side effects because it made you think you got the real thing and not the placebo?
Absolutely. I mean, I've suspected all along that I got the real thing because of the reaction after the second shot, for sure. I definitely felt that way. Like, because I spoke with a doctor friend of mine and he said, sounds like you got a dose of something. So, for sure.
All right.